Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. Uh, Thank you very much to your attention. My name is Hadi Santosa Eskom. Uh, I am a teacher in SMK Negeri 9 Surakarta. How to build Linux router with Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS. How to build Linux router with Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS. Linux routers configuration is simple. You just need to make sure the router have two interface that connected the network that will be router enable packet forwarding and available for NAT if needed. There are more advanced configuration that it is possible will Linux router on Ubuntu server to allow LAN traffic talk to the internet one interface with NAT. Topology and IP address. Client 20.20, client 10.10.10.10.0/24. This computer client to connection with switch to Ubuntu router and then the connection the internet. Ubuntu server 20.04 FTS basic network configuration. Ubuntu Server 20.04 comes with NetPlan as the port network interface configuration tool if you are not familiar with NetPlan. Find out the available network interface. IP add and post in the one interface it will be configured to obtain an IP address from the CPU server. In post 8 is the LAN interface. It will be configured to use 10 to 10 to 10 to 1/24 IP address. Edit networking configuration. Please type in the user bar nano etcn plan anything yam. This configuration will be edit interface in post 3 to obtain the HCP and in post 8 to use address IP 10.10.10.1/24. Just add lines that red colored to your configuration file. If it is a newly installed Ubuntu server network, version 2 rendered network Ethernet and post 3 DHCP for yes and post 8 address 20.10.10.10.1/24. Save then execute the configuration file and apply the configuration net plan apply. Make sure all the configuration have applied IP address ping google.com. Enable package forwarding for IPv4. Please configuration the file is nano etc sysctl.conf and then please change the configuration rule by net.ipv4.ip_forward forwarding and then please choose one to enable packet forwarding for sysctl to apply sys configuration. Enable NAT with IP table. Enable NAT with IP table. Please type IP table maintain NAT main A pursuing main J masquerade. This command will enable NAT on all traffic. IP table command line will not be saved after the system reboot. There are many ways to make it persistent after reboot. This time we will use the SCSY to install iptable persistent packet to the Ubuntu server. apt update menjadi an apt install apt table persistent. It will ask you to save the current IPv4 and IPv6 table rules. Answer yes to save it or no to save it later. IP table save etc IP table rule v4. The command will save the IP table to etc IP table rule with later it will be restored by IP table persist on every reboot. Number 4. Configuration the client. If all going well, we have initiated build Linux router with Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS according to topology. The client use 10.10.10.0/24 network address. So configure the client accordingly. Related. How to remote SSH to Ubuntu Server 20.04 root without password using Windows command prompt. Please configure the IP address to client Windows with IP address 10.10.10.2 subnet mask and gateway and use the following DNS server 8.8.8.8. Try to ping Google or just open your browser to start browsing the internet to see. Thank you very much.